Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Evi Octaviani, a master's student in elementary education from the Muhammadiyah University of Purwokerto. I currently teach at Karangasem 02 Elementary School. And today, I'm going to talk about the influence of problem-based learning by quizzes on critical thinking skills of students at Karangasem 02 Elementary School. The presentation will be 8 parts. Okay, the first I would like to talk about abstract. This study investigates the effect of the problem-based learning (PBL) model supported by the quizzes application and elementary students' critical thinking skills, employing a quasi-experimental design. Two groups were compared: an experimental group utilizing PBL with quizzes and a control group using conventional instruction methods. The findings demonstrate a significant improvement in the critical thinking skill of students taught with PBL and quizzes. This suggests that integrating interactive technology into learning environments can effectively enhance students' higher order thinking skills. Now, the second, I would like to talk about introduction. In today's era of rapid technological development, education must continuously evolve to equip students with essential skills such as critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving. Critical thinking, the ability to systematically analyze information, make decisions, and solve problems, is increasingly vital. The traditional methods of teaching are often insufficient to nurture these skills. Consequently, there is a growing need for innovative learning models such as problem-based learning (PBL). Integrating technology tools like quizzes within PBL offers an engaging and interactive learning environment, helping students develop critical competencies necessary for future challenge. Next, I would like to move on to research background. Problem-based learning is a teaching approach that involves students in solving real-world problems, encouraging them to develop analytical skills, creativity, and collaborative attitudes. By working through open-ended problems, students practice critical thinking process, including interpretation, analysis, evaluation, and inference. Quizzes, a gamified digital quiz platform, complements PBL by making learning enjoyable and interactive. Research indicates that gamification can boost motivation, enhance engagement, and improve learning outcomes. However, despite proven benefits, traditional teaching methods are still predominant in many educational institutions, limiting students' opportunities to develop higher order thinking skills. And then any research purpose. This study aims to one, examine the effect of the problem-based learning model assisted by quizzes on students' critical thinking skill. Two, compare the critical thinking performance of students taught with PBL and quizzes versus conventional learning methods. Three, provide recommendations for integrating technology in learning to foster critical thinking among elementary students. After that, I would like to talk about methods. This study used a quantitative quasi-experimental design with the study conducted at Karangasem 02 Elementary School, Sampang, with 17 students as the experimental class and students of Paberasan Elementary School, Sampang, with 17 students, as the control class following conventional learning. Data collection involved pre-test and post-test using descriptive questions that were in line with critical thinking indicators. The instrument measured students' abilities in interpretation, analysis, evaluation, and inference. The collect data were analyzed using SPSS 2.5.0, applying normality, homogeneity, and independency tests to assess difference between groups. And then result. The normality and homogeneity tests confirmed that the data were appropriate for parametric analysis. The mean post-test score of the experimental group was 80.18 with a standard deviation of 7.74 compared to the control group's mean of 71.35 with a standard deviation of 8.63. The independent sample test yielded a significance value P 0.004, indicating a statistically significant difference between the groups. This research suggests that students exposed to PBL with quizzes achieved better critical thinking outcomes than those who experienced conventional learning. After that discussions, the findings of this study align with previous research, affirming that the integration of PBL and digital tools like quizzes positively impacts student learning. By actively engaging with problems and receiving immediate feedback through quizzes, students were able to practice and improve critical thinking skills more effectively. The gamified elements of quizzes contribute to increased motivation and sustained attention during learning sessions, creating an environment conducive to deeper cognitive engagement. While the results are promising, limitations such as the small sample size and the short study duration must be acknowledged. Future study should explore a broader application and long-term effects of combining PBL with technology in diverse educational contexts. Lastly, I would like to talk about conclusion. The problem-based learning model, when assessed by the quizzes application, significantly enhanced elementary students' critical thinking skills. This approach offers a dynamic alternative to traditional teaching methods, promoting active learning and deeper understanding. It is recommended that educators integrate such innovation models into their classrooms to foster essentially 21st century skills. Future research should consider large samples and extended intervention periods to validate and extend these findings. All right, that's all I can say. If there are questions, I would be happy to address them. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.